Hey everybody, Mason here. So I've got a really nice, quick, easy, simple but potent recipe for you today, the instant chaga tea. Now, chaga mushroom, you can see here, beautiful black wild-crafted sclerotia of this mushroom here that we've got from Changbai Mountain. It's why this chaga is just so potent, just rich in the energies and the immunomodulating compounds that you want. Now, one of the reasons that it's been so potent and popular lately in the SuperFeast range is, as I just said, it's such an amazing immunologically building herb, but it helps the herb, helps the immune system modulate. So that just means it helps the immune system get the sophistication so that it can then adapt and take care of any things that are going on. So if there's immunodeficiency happening, it's one of the absolute best herbs, amazing for protecting the thyroid, the liver, and really ultra nourishing to the pineal gland. And because it's one of the most rich substances in antioxidants, especially like really unique antioxidants, it's really protective of our DNA and our skin. And for all these reasons, everyone's like, you know, I'm getting on. It's one of the first herbs that I ever got onto. Definitely one of the first mushrooms. I'm still going hard on it. A lot of people are discovering it. And so this is an easy way you can integrate it and weave it into your life. Now, we've gone and taken this mushroom and we've dual extracted it. So you've got a full spectrum bioavailable mushroom there. And so I'm going to get a good teaspoon there. Beautiful, little bit bitter, little bit of vanillin in there. So it's got a nice flavor. Actually, I really like it. So that is ready for me to now add hot water, and I've basically got my instant tea there. Now, I'm going to stir that up in that boiling water. It's not heat sensitive, don't worry about it. It's actually making it really nice and available to your body when you get it into a hot drink like this. And then all I'm going to do, if you want, you can just drink it straight like that. If you want, you can add a little bit of nut milk. I've got hemp milk here, and stir that up. And there you go. That's your instant chaga tea, ready to come in and do its badass thing for your immune system in a very delicious way. Beautiful. Enjoy.